Yo, Nam, what up, brother? How you doing, man?
I'm good, bro. I'm excited.
Yeah? Excited for what?
Ready to jump out this plane.
No way, you're going skydiving?
Yes, sir.
Here at Skydive City, man, that is what we do. We throw you out of airplanes at 13,500 feet.
I'm here for it.
You're going 120 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it, man. You're not nervous?
At all.
No, man. Let's go crush this thing, man.
It's like a roller coaster.
Next time I see you, we're on the airplane.
Yes, sir.
Let's go have some fun, bro. See you out there.
All right.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We want to welcome you. 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 Take it down. Take it down. Take it down. Take it down. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up. Let's give it up. Let's give it up.
Yeah, we do gotta go higher. Hey there, brother.
Ready.
7,000 feet, we are not ready.
Ready.
We gotta go higher.
Let's go. 13,000.
13,500, baby. Hey, I got a question.
Yeah.
What's your spirit animal right now?
Dragon.
A dragon.
Dragon.
All right. Well, they're
Awesome.
All right, well, listen. Next time I see you, we'll be outside going 120 miles an hour. You cool with that?
I'm great.
Let's do it, bro. Let's get out there. Let's go skydive.
Go.
Yeah, man. We'll see you guys out there.
Well, I've been running around this globe for a couple of spins now. Grown from school days, the outcast from the in crowd. I keep my chin down as time flies and seasons vanish. Hold the self-belief to manage, grip and seize my canvas. Paint the color that connects with me and speaks my language. Try to release my baggage, be free to relieve the anguish. When it's freezing cold, feel the warmth between my toes. Up this earth I walk, creation is what feeds my soul. It can ease the load, climbing on the steepest road. So I preach this ode to remind myself to keep control. When it's all too much and I dive to free fall, I try to center myself at the center of life's seesaw. I crave the fun times, the sunshine entices. I wanna rid temptation and unwind my vices. From the drugs to the girls and the beers I'm drinking. And remember what's at stake, staring in the mirror thinking, well, I've been down this road before. It's been one hell of a ride. The challenge is to balance on that fine line between the earth and sky. And I will wait for the morning sun till the way is clear as day. Well, okay, hallelujah. Now watch me take the stage.
Yeah, it's the hunt for the high, the people I've met, the places I've seen, the stories I've told, the forks in the road chasing my dream. On the brink, stop and think, I'm telling you dreams don't cost a thing. I know we all die alone, but I feel faith within that cosmic link. I surf the starlight where every wish is worthy. Only happy when you've got it often makes you miss the journey. Coincide with chemistry, flow and ride my energy. We'll grow our grass greener than that other side will ever be. The man on the mic, the rose on my drum kit, happy with my reflection even.
Wow. Welcome back to Skydive City, brother. 13,500 feet, going 120 miles an hour.
Yeah.
With my buddy Sean, man. How was that?
It was great.
Yeah?
You helped me out the whole time.
That's it, man. Yeah, man. I gotta know. Would you ever do it again?
Hell yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ain't no thing, right? How about with my buddy Sean?
Of course.
Nice skydive, guys. You crushed it. Well, hey, thanks for letting me tag along, brother.
Yes, sir.
And we'll see you guys on the next one.
Thank you.